Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. We have recently started discussing exam details of various law officer exams in the insurance, banking, regulatory body sector. And today in this video, we are going to discuss the exam details of NICL AO legal exam, which we can expect in 2025. So starting with the last recruitment details. Last time the recruitment was announced in January 2024. It was recruitment of administrative officer, generalist and specialist. The recruitment was announced on 2nd January. However, the phase 1 and phase 2 exams were after the elections. In 2024 there were elections which concluded in June. After that there were phase 1 and phase 2 exams. Let's look at the eligibility now. For legal recruitment, for administrative officer legal post, you should be graduate or postgraduate in law from a recognized university with at least 60% marks in either of the degree examinations or at least 55% for category candidates. Coming to the vacancy trend, I am aware of 2017 and 2024 recruitment. There is a possibility that there was recruitment between 2017 and 2024, but I am not able to find it. Anyway, we have 2024 recruitment as our benchmark. In 2017, there were 205 vacancies for generalist post. In 2024, there were 20 vacancies for legal stream, and for other streams also there were vacancies. So we are talking about legal here. Now coming to the exam pattern, in prelims there is quant, reasoning, English. Remember, I recently released a video for NICL recruitment, and in NICL also prelims only had QRE. There are 30 or 35 questions. Each section has sectional timings. The total paper of prelims is of 100 marks. Now looking at the cutoff of prelims, this has been the cutoff. For legal post, English language sectional cutoff was 12.75, reasoning was 5.25 and quantitative aptitude was 4.25. For legal, overall cutoff for prelims was 37.25 for unreserved category, and for different categories also it was quite similar except ST. So the cutoff was not that high. Out of 100, it was 37.25. Then coming to the mains exam. In mains, there were 6 subjects: reasoning, English, general awareness, computer and quantitative aptitude. Each of these subjects had 40 questions of 40 marks to be attempted in given section timings. While for professional knowledge, there were 50 questions of 50 marks. The total paper for NICL AO mains was of 250 marks. Then there was descriptive test of 30 marks, which was only qualifying. Here the extra subject as compared to NICL recruitment was computer knowledge. Now looking at the cutoffs. For legal stream, the sectional cutoff for reasoning out of 40 was 1. For English language it was 1. For general awareness it was 1. In fact, it was 1 for every subject out of 40. Then coming to the cutoff of descriptive English. For descriptive English for legal post, the cutoff out of 30 for the descriptive English paper was 7.5 for the category candidates, and for EWS and unreserved category it was 10.5. Then coming to the overall cutoff, for legal stream, overall cutoff for unreserved categories was 123. Remember, the paper was of 250 marks. So out of 250, almost 50% was the cutoff. 123 was the cutoff. So you have to target your score somewhere in the range of 60% to 65% to get that edge, to have that confidence that you will be able to clear the mains exam. And with decent performance in the interview, you will make it to the final merit list. Then coming to the syllabus of NICL AO is exactly the same for NICL. For NICL AO, English has these topics, reasoning has these topics, then general awareness and quantitative aptitude, again similar topics. For law, you will have to study common laws, new criminal laws, civil laws, contract laws, constitution. Then you have to study RTI, Law of Torts, Consumer Protection Act, Registration, Indian Stamp Act, corporate law, and you will also have to study insurance laws. The additional subject, that is computer, is present in this exam, and these are the topics that you should be prepared with in the computer knowledge. So these are all the details for NICL AO exam. There are 4 general insurance companies: NIACL, NICL, OICL, UIIC. We have already discussed NIACL. In this video, we have discussed NICL. In the next videos, we will be discussing OICL and UIIC recruitment details. Then we'll be taking up GICV also and LIC AU legal also. We'll also then take up IBPS, SO law and various regulatory body exams in the legal domain, and I'll be discussing the exam details one by one of all these exams so that you have a clarity of all these exams and you can take wise decisions for yourself. At iExamB, we offer courses for each of these exams and also one Mega-B legal online course which can help you in the preparation of all these exams together. This Mega-B legal online course is an all-in-one course which can help you in the preparation of all the upcoming law officer exams in insurance, banking, regulatory bodies, public sector undertakings, APP, every kind of exam. You can check out the offerings of this course. You can check out the details of this course by opening the demo of this course. The link for the demo is attached in the description. Also, this brochure is added in the description. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.